After clicking on our link, you'll see an interface like this. Click on Make a Copy, and a copy of the file will be saved to your own Google Drive. Next, at the top, you can rename the file as you wish. Then, under Currency, enter your local currency. In this example, I've kept the default international currency. On the left side, enter your income sources and expense categories, like salary, rent, groceries, etc. Below that, in the Accounts section, list the ways you handle your money, such as bank, mobile wallet, or cash in hand. Now, on the right side under Current Balance, you don't need to change anything. It's fully automated. Next, go to the Transactions tab. This is where the main work happens. Here, you'll record all your income and expenses, and the rest will be calculated automatically. Start by entering the date. Then in the Type column, select Income for income or Expense for expenses. Under Categories, it will show the options you previously entered in the Setup tab. Then enter the amount, and under Account, select the medium used for the transaction. If you forget to select an account, the amount cell will turn red as a warning. You can also add any notes in the description field. Let me add a few example transactions for testing. Now let's go to the monthly dashboard. If we select June, we'll see which categories brought income and where we spent money during that month. At the top, there's a pie chart for a visual summary, and on the left, a column chart shows the cash flow. If we select any other month, it might appear blank, because our test transactions were only for June. Next, in the annual dashboard, you'll get a full overview of income, expenses, and savings for a 12-month period. The month you select at the top will be the starting point, and it will count one full year from there. You'll see totals for income, expense, and savings automatically. Lastly, in the custom dashboard, you can enter any start and end dates. It will then show how much income and expense occurred within that period. If you want to check transactions for a specific day, just select that same date for both start and end, and you'll instantly see the results. If this file ever opens in view-only mode, simply go to File and select Make a Copy. This will fix the issue. If you face any other problems, feel free to email us anytime. Thank you.